We all know that the Earth is made of continental plates and oceanic plates. The continental crust is older yet lighter, therefore cannot sink, and as a result is more permanent. The oceanic crust is younger yet heavier, so is able to sink, and as a result is continuously being destroyed and replaced. These plates are continuously in motion, and this is exactly what happened with the Eurasian and Pacific plate. The Pacific plate was moving towards the Eurasian plate until the oceanic plate was forced under the continental plate. The friction caused the trembling of the Earth, also known as an earthquake. This is what it looked like before. And this is what it looked like after. The oceanic plate was pushed under such depths in the Earth's mantle that it fused together with the continental plate to create one big plate.